Hey, this is Doug here, a realtor here in Utah. Um, as we've talked about the 2023 real estate market and what's coming, again, the experts are kind of all over the place and everybody's speculating here or there, which doesn't lend a lot of confidence to where the market's at and what's happening. A couple of things we do know is one, if you're looking to buy a house, you're in the last 2.5 years, there's not a better time to do it inventory wise. And when I say inventory, it's just houses on the market, right? So there's more houses to buy. So great time to do that. I was listening to an economist yesterday, and this economist was talking and showing how interest rates in the mortgage industry has a very parallel graph and interaction with the inflation rate. Typically, they're a couple of percentage points apart, but so basically, if inflation goes up, your interest rates go up. If inflation goes down, your interest rates go down. So it's fairly easy like that. And according to him and the graphs that he was showing, over the last, since the 60s, that's been very accurate and very true that those, go hand in hand and move. And typically they're about, 2 percentage points apart, but that's not locked in stone because they do vary. But it was interesting that the interest rates go up and down. So one of the things that I wanted to mention along with that today is, there are so many people right now that I talk to daily, hourly, that are just telling me, hey, right now I want to wait until interest rates come down. Well, okay, great. So let's just do a what if real quick. So what if you wait and interest rates come down a half a point or 2 points? Well, you know what? They came down a little bit over the weekend. So instead of just over 7%, we're just under 7%. So they have come down a little bit. But you wait until spring, interest rates drop 2 points, and we've kind of talked about that. So that it drops 2 points, and now every buyer that's waiting, much like yourself and the people that I've been talking to, are going to jump in and buy houses. So now the houses that are there for sale are gone. And what's going to happen is, as that happens, prices of the real estate, because it is all based on supply and demand, your housing prices will start to increase again because there's going to be more demand because the interest rates are lower. The other component to that is what happens if you wait till spring and it's one of those knock on wood, whatever type of thing. But what happens if the interest rates go to 10%? Then what do you do? Back in the mid 80s, they were between 12 and 18% in the housing industry, which is absolutely incredible to think about. But, the last couple of years, we've been pretty spoiled with the government buying down and artificially keeping everything interest rate wise and mortgage rate wise low. They're not doing that anymore. And so now we're back to normal curves and growth and stuff. So anyway, so you've got two different scenarios. One, if you wait till the spring for the interest rates to go down, interest rates go down and everybody jumps back in the market, and so your housing prices start to go back up. Or you wait till spring for interest rates to go down and interest rates go up. Then what? So the real thought to this process is you need to find somebody that can help you navigate what's going on right now. And I've got one of the best teams in the state of Utah. From mortgages to title, just a great team that I cannot tell you enough good things about. But these people can get things done and help us navigate. And so I would tell you, let's not wait. Let's find you what you need and find you what you need today. And let's get you into a home and see if we can't get you a home for Christmas even. That'd be a great Christmas present. Anyway, have a good day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.